Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be handling a serious matter. That's generation of caption or SRT. For creators, this is really important because you need your captions. Something like CapCut or other caption generator are paid, so you need your caption. So let's get into it. First of all, I'm using Google Colab to generate the caption and the Whisper model. So the caption will be ready for CapCut export or import. So you just go to this GitHub repo, just posted it here. What you're going to do once you're here, make sure you download it. So click on this file, then click on the three dots there at the top right corner, download. So once you have your download, you can go to a new tab, search Google Colab. First thing that pops up, click on that's googlecolab.com. Okay, you can open new notebook. Give it a while to load depending on your internet speed. So once you have opened your notebook, we need to upload the file that you just downloaded. Come to file, upload notebook. So you can choose browse, then I'll go to downloads, then this file that I've just downloaded, open. So okay, leave. So that will pop up and open the new notebook. So once you have uploaded the file, and this is what you get. It has two cells, so this is the first cell and this is the second cell. So once you are here, don't worry about it. Make sure you connect to a runtime, that's a T4 GPU. So make sure you go here and make sure your runtime is T4 GPU, because we need to utilize the power of GPUs so that you can run. So make sure you set that up and save and connect. So we need to connect to the runtime now. Connecting. Gonna take a few seconds to connect, then done. Boom, everything is connected and we are ready to start generating the subtitles. So the other thing that you are going to do now, upload your file. Click here on files. So I'm going to upload the file that I want to generate captions on. Good thing about this tool is that it can create caption whether it's MP3 or it's a video. So just click on this upload icon and choose the file that you want to generate. So I'll go here on videos, maybe, and go to home. So let's say I have this starlink.mp4, the one that I want to generate captions on. So open and leave the warning, click OK. So it's going to upload. You can see the progress here. So once that's ready, make sure you give it a while to upload. You can start running the first cell now to install the dependency, faster Whisper and FFmpeg. So that's going to install the dependency, and our file is already done also. So this is going to take some few seconds. Done. So 15 seconds, the execution was done. So this is the critical part now, the second cell. From Whisper and all that, you see this variable here, audio file. So it's going to go to content and your file. So in my case, I've uploaded starlink.mp4, so I'm going to change this here to starlink.mp4. So I'm going to starlink.mp4. I'm just telling this that the file is this one here. So it's going to go to content and starlink.mp4. So once you change that, you are good to go. Just click on run and your generation will start. So you can scroll here to see the progress. Okay, so it's installing the model. It's about 3 GB, but it's not going to take a while because it's not local. We're utilizing the power of Google Colabs. For me as a creator, the subtitle file is really important for me because it really saves a lot of time. The good thing about this is that it detects the language and start generating, and the output has been categorized into two. You can see it is started to generate. It detected that our file was named starlink.mp4, so the files that are generated are starlink.txt and starlink.srt. So, and the transcription is done, so we can download this starlink.mp4 or the starlink.txt, depending on if I want to use this on a timeline. I'll just download the srt. So download, and this is ready to import CapCut. You can see here. So this srt has been generated right now. I have shown you. So this tool is really important for me as a creator, and it's really useful for me. And also the srt, you can download it. So this will be different because txt doesn't carry the timeline and all that. So this is it. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So that was the script on that video. You can check it out. Let's check the video here. It was on home. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be talking, yes, you can see it's really useful, about my Starlink data usage over the last 8 months. Okay, so that's the case. Really works, and it's really useful. So I don't want to make the video so long, but you get the point. The SRT has been generated and all that. So for more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and you like. That keeps us motivated. And currently I'm at 79 subscribers. I would really love to get to 100. So hit that subscribe button and see you on the next one. Thank you.